G'day, Reggie Roo here. What has two wheels and a loud engine? A motorcycle. Here is a silver motorcycle. And here is a motorcycle rider. He puts his helmet on, making sure it's fastened tight. Hi, Mick. Today he's taking his motorcycle out for a ride. The keys go in the ignition, and he starts the motorcycle. Brum, brum goes the bike as he revs the engine. Mick is also wearing a protective black leather jacket and big boots. And down the street he goes. Along the bridge and over the river. Motorcycles have two wheels and handlebars at the front for steering. Have you seen a motorcycle before? Here comes Mick back from his ride. Hello. He pulls the motorcycle into the parking space, slowly reversing up to the curb, ready for his next ride. Bye, Mick. And bye, kids. Hooroo. To see more things that go, click on the videos above. And don't forget to subscribe.